First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the same, I'm the master of myself.
Hey guys, it's your girl Chyna. Welcome back to my channel. Today is the day, guys. It is the day. It's official. We are unboxing. We are unboxing, guys. We are gonna do this. We are unboxing the PlayStation 5, guys. I can't even breathe.
Black leather glove, no see-through. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody, got a piece in. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up.
Alright guys, so as y'all already know, I was fiending for this game. See, this is the only game that I felt like I was fiending for, to be honest. But I was feeding for this game. I can't wait to stream it. I think it's a one player. Yeah, it is one player. So I can't wait to stream it. This is going to be, like, insane. I can't even believe, like, I secured the bag, guys. This is crazy. You guys don't understand. Like, this was, like, long hours, long weeks of preparation, you guys. And it's okay because I'm helping you guys secure the bag as well. I'm just going to show you guys some things that you guys would like to know. I ordered from PlayStation Direct. I've been streaming to help you guys secure the bag. Check out those lives as well. But let me just let y'all know. Sony gave me a gift. If you ordered from Direct, I believe you guys should have gotten some type of like thank you and like a coupon code. So we're going to redeem that when I start streaming. But I haven't redeemed it yet to know what it is. So I will comment that down below when I redeem it, because I probably would redeem it after I post this. So another thing that you guys should know, right here on the actual Sony box, to confirm that this is like official and somebody didn't like tamper with it or like something didn't happen, there's a seal that you guys should pay attention to. I know a lot of people haven't paid attention to that. There's a seal. You see this silver like sticker? That's what it is. It's the PlayStation sticker. Okay, I'm actually gonna use this because I kind of want it. I'm curious to see, like, if I just lift it, like, what's gonna happen. Oh, I don't think you can, guys. Wait, you can do it from this way. But even so, like, not really. Oh, okay, I see what they did. It's kind of like one of those stickers that, like, you see, like, you can't open it, and like it would be like impossible to open it without someone noticing. I'm going to show you guys a close-up. Do y'all see that? Y'all see that, right? Like, you see those dots? Like, it's impossible. Like, it's impossible. So, we're going to do this, guys. I'm going to open the other part as well. But I'm going to switch out my lens. Hold on, guys. I'm going to switch it to... Let's stop this recording. Let me get my tweezers. There's this little strip here. I'm going to open this. Just like that. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it, guys. It's like the moment I've been waiting for. Oh, so I think, like, okay, so I gotta pull this out. I'm not gonna lie, guys, this, like I said, it looks like this, and it has the PlayStation on it. This is crazy. we're here. Alright, so I think I fixed it for my second camera. Like I said, if I'm looking down, it's because I'm showing you guys everything. And here we go. So inside comes the, I believe these are the instructions. I believe this is the instructions. Yeah, quick start guide. So that's what comes in it, is a quick start guide. Quick start guide. This is safety guide. Safety guide. This is the safety guide. I believe this is the AC adapter. This is the power cord. So, yeah. This is the controller, which probably looks gorgeous, by the way. Like, I love the new controller, guys. Like, this is the controller. Oh my gosh. It's so gorgeous. The controller is gorgeous. I love the controller. Alright, so we're going to put this to the side. And then we're going to lift up. We're going to lift up the console. Well, we're going to remove this because this is a box in itself. We're going to put this to the side. I have another table over there. Now we're going to pull out the console, guys. We're going to pull out the console. Let's take a breath. So we're gonna pull out the console. Let's go. Oh wait, like I told you, this is, I think it's probably better if I like do it flat. So we're gonna flip it actually over. I might be the only person that might be doing this. Don't. Ooh. Dangerous. Okay guys, that was fake dangerous. I probably wouldn't advise doing that. I don't want you guys to drop it and then blame me. Don't drop your P5 and blame me. So this is what it comes in, and this is like bubble wrap. To take off the wrap, now that we're zoomed in, we're gonna take off the wrap because I got you guys a full close-up of it. Oh, boom, boom, voila, and there she is. And there she is, guys. Beautiful. She's beautiful. Beautiful. She's beautiful, guys. I don't even know what that was. But anyway, this is how she looks. Are you guys seeing her? Are y'all seeing her right now? Are y'all seeing her? Okay, I'm gonna stop. This is too real. This is too real. Alright, so this is the back. I'm gonna show you guys. This is how it looks in the back. Oh wait, let me flip it. This is how it looks in the back. I'm getting a call. This is the back. And you can see the power. These are like this is what it looks like as far as like ports are concerned. You have your USB, HDMI, Ethernet, power supply, 2 USBs, and then that's that. And then from the front, you also have your USB, 3 USB slots. You have 3 USB slots, the CD. But I mean, that is that for the unboxing part. I'm super psyched. Like I said to you guys, I'm gonna be playing the SpiderMan. I'm gonna set her up, and make sure you thumbs up this video. This was a very hard thing to cop, and for all the people that know what we have to go through to get this P5, make sure you hit that thumbs up, because you guys know, especially you guys know, all the things we had to go through, like the sleepless nights. 11/14, guys, 11/14, remember that date. One more thing, you guys. So I'm just going to add in, before we end this video, I'm gonna add in how to beat the bots. So a big launch is coming up tomorrow, as you guys already know, and basically for the past coming of weeks, well, probably a couple of days, there's going to be a lot of releases for Xbox Series X as well as the PlayStation 5. So this is what you need to do to help beat the bots. Guys, listen. You need to make sure the night before or the hours before you have a familiar understanding of the website that you're going to. By that, you need to understand where everything is, where the cart, like basically you need to be on the product that you want to purchase and understand how the website works prior. Don't be trying to figure things out the day of. Don't try to figure things out the night, like the moment that it releases. So for example, all the people that don't know how to sign in, or don't know how to add payments, or doesn't know how to add your address, make sure you're familiar with your site, because the way bots win is, remember, it is a computer-based system. It's something that's fast, it's automatic. So what's going to happen is it's going to allow you a couple seconds to have an advantage, especially if you know what you are looking for. So if you know what you are looking for, this is the best way to, or at least one of the best ways to help your chances of beating the bots realistic. So just make sure you guys, make sure you put your auto filter to use, make sure you have a familiar understanding of the website, and your understanding is like well versed. Also know the product that you're trying to get. Have yourself be a bot, basically, as if you were the bot yourself. And these are a couple tips that I'm going to give you guys to end off this video, and I hope you guys, like I said, enjoyed. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button and add yourself to the Discord to be a part of the winning team. I greatly appreciate all the support that you guys have given me so far, and let's